Hello friends, welcome to ProTalent and I'm Nitin Parmar. My dear students, CLAT 2022 is going to be in the month of May. When this examination is in the month of May and this is October end and you are preparing for it, you must have this pressure in your mind that how do I improve my speed and accuracy. After all, this competitive examination is for those students who will come in that top 2000 students or top 1000 students, or you are going to get a very good NLU if you come in top 200. Now to reach to top 200, you need to have a good speed compared to the other students. And obviously when you have a speed, there is some kind of problem with respect to your accuracy. You have to control your urge to get into wrong. Now, how do I improve my speed and accuracy? Can I read fast, and that's how I can improve my capability? My dear students, okay, what happens many times we have seen that when we are solving the paper at a fast pace, okay, we end up getting a lot of wrongs. And when we are not doing fast, we can say reading, then there is a problem of, you can say, leaving some easy questions. Okay, so at one point we end up making a lot of silly mistakes. On the other hand, you can say we are not able to complete the paper, or we are not able to reach to that number where we wish to get into. What is that number? I believe out of 150 questions, that number would be in the range of some around 130 plus. That's the kind of number of attempts are needed. Anyway, all of us are not very much accurate enough. Even in the examination, our accuracy drops and we assume, let's say it is 80% accuracy. Okay, so if I attempt 130 questions, my 26 questions are wrong with an assumption of 80% accuracy. So I am getting, you can say, 104 question right. I hope you understand this. With 104 question right, 26 minus, so 26 divided by 4, approximately 6.5 minus, okay. So 100 and you can say 4 minus 6.5, we are living at somewhere around 97.5 or 98.5. Now that is very challenging. Okay, so I believe that reaching to that particular, you can say, number, that is crossing that coveted 3-digit number, requires a lot of efforts now, not at that later stage. If you are thinking that, look, today I'm trying to understand all the concepts, okay, whatever is my score, that's okay, okay, I am, you can say, I will be in a position to improve my score in the month of March and April. I think it will be too late, because your input is, you can say, creating trouble to you. Your input is not right. If you are not training your brain today in a right manner, then you are going to get into a lot of trouble. So my dear students, how do I improve my speed and accuracy? The game is not about reading at a fast pace. Okay, that's not the game. Okay, the game is, when I'm talking about competitive examinations like CLAT, the game of speed is not about speed reading. It is all about reading at a particular pace so that your processing in the mind, the information processing, the analysis goes at a faster pace. In one reading, remember this, in one reading, you should be in a position to assess everything in a right manner. If you are not able to do that, if you are reading it and it takes time for you to analyze, interpret, दूसरी बार पढ़ना पड़ता है, you are required to read it second time, third time, not acceptable. Not acceptable. So what you have to do is develop capability of reading at one go and analyzing at one go, improving that information processing part. The game is about information processing. How fast is your information processing, you can say, capabilities are. If your information processing capabilities are superb, if your information processing capabilities are fast, you are going to solve a lot of questions. Now that requires a lot of focus. That requires a lot of patience. That requires, you can say, a lot of training of your mind. Okay, I believe that is very important. Sir, how can I improve on it? Let me discuss that as well. You can improve it by, you can say, reading a lot. Many times in this competitive examination scenario, okay, and when we come to 11th and 12th standard, you can say our capability of reading through textbooks have diminished. We're not reading them in comfortable manner. What we rely on? We rely on a teacher. Teacher teaches on the board or through online or offline, whatever mode you are going through. Okay, you take notes from it. You follow your notes. Okay, you are happy with your notes. Okay, you get also class notes. Teacher gives you class notes. There are bulleted points, and you directly focus on those points, and your focus is remembering only those important part. But examinations like CLAT is not just identifying bulleted points okay, by someone else. You have to identify what is the most important part, which is presented in a paragraph format. And that's where the difference lies. That's where you have to train your brain. Remember, all of us have same brain. Okay, how do we take work from that brain is a different part. Okay, all of us are not able to take same kind of output from our brain. In this competitive exam academic planning session, I have been talking about how to take maximum, you can say, advantage of our capabilities in the brain, so that we can get into top ranks. The game of these sessions, the objective of these sessions are that you reach to the top of your competitive examination part. So my dear students, in CLAT, if you want to improve your capability with respect to speed and accuracy, you have to focus on information processing. Information processing can be developed by reading a lot. Okay, so for example, let's say you are looking at law of torts. Okay, and you are interested in understanding about strict liability and absolute liability. The objective is not just what the teacher told you and what are the important ingredients. No, that is not sufficient. You have to pick up 2 or 3 books, or through online mode you have to read a lot of things. When you read what is a strict liability, in what circumstances strict liabilities are arising, you look at varieties of the examples. Okay, now that gives you a kind of capability to your brain to process. Okay, how fast you are able to process it, how focused you are able to understand the important words. This is the game. So my dear students, that's what I've been telling every time, that question practice kiya kya, just like target set kiya kya, question practice kiya kya, that's very important. Yes or no? So my dear students, when you want to improve your speed and accuracy, the game is not about how fast you are reading it, how fast you are able to process it. Okay, so whenever I'm teaching here, okay, whether it is RC or logical reasoning or whatever, my focus is to help you with the processing part. I may take more time to explain you certain concept, but I know that when I'm taking more time to develop your processing front, okay, I'm very confident that I am able to change in your mind the processing part. When you are able to process it in a right manner, okay, believe me, you are going to get into great, you can say, situation. If your processing is right, if your processing speed is good, that is wonderful. So few things you have to keep in mind. Number one, are you able to read in one go and interpret and understand everything? Say yes or no. If you are not, please practice it. It takes 25-30 days time, that's it. Okay, always tell yourself, I'm going to read in one go. I'm going to read in one go and understand everything. That's number one. Okay, number two, am I able to reach, you can say, by doing that processing, whatever is my accuracy, am I able to reach to my desired accuracy? If not, then where is a flaw in my processing? Identify. Now that's a different game. Okay, that is a game of concept. You may not have, you can say, developed a clarity about the concept. Focus more on it. Okay, I believe by applying these methods, you have a great chance of getting into the top ranks in the country. My aim is all of you will be reaching to the top rank in the country. So make sure that you follow these methods. I hope this is helping you. If you like specific topic to be covered in this competitive exam academic planning sessions, please let us know in the comment section. We'll be more than happy to cover that part. Okay, I hope this is comfortable for you, and all the best.